Today really is Kirkland's day. We are so excited to be in this active and vibrant city. The project we are breaking ground on today, we have been working on since 2002. We've had 17 different state, local, tribal, federal agencies working on the vision for this corridor.
This is a great day for the state of Washington because it's a day that realizes how we build a new vision for our state. We build it one new interchange at a time, one new culvert removal program at a time, one new bike lane and roundabout at a time.
Improving our transportation system isn't just about drivers, it's about transit, biking, walking, and rolling. We really appreciate the partnership with WashDOT and continuing our close coordination, ensuring another successful project on the corridor.
We thank all of our legislators who helped make this happen and all the representatives, the governor and the transportation office. Very, very important to us. It'll allow us to provide great care for the next 50 years to come.
So let's keep building Washington, starting right here. Congratulations to Kirkland.